what's up everybody, ATB here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new TCG display opening. And today we are going to take a look at this. Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading Card Games, Ghosts from the Past, Second Haunting. And yeah guys, I'm pretty excited because these ghost rares, I'm telling you, these are looking phenomenal. Absolutely the bomb. I've pre-ordered 3 boxes of them. I got mine from TCG Games. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Go check him out. And yeah, let's not waste any time. Let's see how it goes. If you love this type of content, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my new content, hit the ring bell notification button. With that said guys, let's jump right in. Okay guys, here we are. This is the box. And yeah, we got 5 of these. And I gotta say, it's a lot of packing material. Let me just quick unpack all 5 boxes and I'm gonna see you in a minute. The blisters are out of the boxes. I would say let's not waste any time and start unpacking these beauties. Let's put you aside. Okay, here we go. First pack guys. First pack. Here we go. Alright, we got here Track Black, Vision Held Gravito. Okay, number 60.
Oh my!
Are you? Jesus! Are you kidding me? First pack! First ghost rare! Oh my god! Oh my! This is I can't
that you could do so.
Oh my god guys, look at this. First pack, first ghost rare. Yeah. Wow, what a luck guys, look at this. Woo, absolutely beautiful. Oh my god, let me just take real quick a sleeve. Oh my god, this is, I can't believe this guys. I can't find the words. This is just, oh my god, look at this. Oh, absolutely phenomenal. Wow. Wow. Okay guys, like this, it can go on and on. On and on and on. Wow. Woo, I told you guys, these cards are looking phenomenal. Well, whew, I'm sweating. I'm sweating. First pack, first ghost rare. This never happened to me before. Never ever. My god. Okay. Let's just calm down, guys. Whew. Okay. Okay. Oh, nice looking. Whew. My heart is racing, guys. My heart is absolutely racing. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. Next one. Again. Okay. Perfect Pferd. Yeah, by the way, this set is in German. I unfortunately didn't get one in English. So yeah, but I don't, it's, for me it's either way. Nothing there. Okay, good. Let's go. Keep going, guys. Keep going. All right. Oh, this card I'm using for my Black Chaos Max Dragon deck. Nice. Okay, nothing there. And yeah, guys, just for informing you, if we didn't pull any ghost rare on this display, it's okay. It's just fine. It's just totally fine by me. We got one first display, first pack. It's for me. It's this video is done. All right, let's go. Keep going. Ooh, this one I see everyone is pulling. This is, besides the ghost rare cards, is the most valuable. Aluber der Narr von Despia. Yes, in German, I don't know, it sounds weird, but hey, this is also a good hit, I have to say. Let's leave you up, baby. Alright, here we go. This is an absolutely a god box for me, guys. I have to say, this is absolutely just whew. Let's go, let's go. See. See. Okay, here we go. Again, and nothing here, right? These are, by the way, all ultra rares, guys. These cards are all ultra rares. So this box is absolutely worth its money. Okay. Go. We have this, nothing there. You must go here. Okay, right. This is nothing too. All right. Nothing here. All right. Keep going. Okay, Castle der Lehre. Nothing. What's this? Okay. Ooh, this is nice looking, like that. A dark alligator. All right. Okay, guys. So far, one ghost rare pulled and one aluber. I can't complain, guys. I just can't complain. All right, here we go. Nothing here, right? Okay. Zuflucht im Himmel. Ooh, for this one I've been waiting. I love this card. This is absolutely negate. I'm also playing this in basically in each deck of mine. Blue Eyes deck. In every deck I play this in my extra deck. Yeah, this card. Yeah, no, jeez, screw it. I'm gonna sleeve you. I'm gonna sleeve you. This is just for me. This is just for me. I just waited for you. So you deserve a sleeve. Number 38. I love this card. Alright. Here we go. How much pack we have left? Oh, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 packs left, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Track black. We got this before. And nothing. Nada. Rien. Niente. So, pull my glasses up. Okay. Suck. Nothing. Ooh. This is also a good one. Look at this. Woo, rainbows. Absolutely phenomenal, guys. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna sleeve you up too. I have to. Just besides of my blue eyes that I love, I also love Dark Magician. Because yeah, this is probably a cliche of mine, but whatever, I don't care. I just love him. Okay, let's go. Keep up, guys. Again, Manju. And again. Again and again. Alright. Keep going, keep going. For you and for me. Alright, okay. And Draglubian, I'm also waiting for you. Sleeve you in. Woo! Yes, these are just. This is also one of my. Just have to say a standard card in my extra deck, and yeah, I played these two combined. Look at this. Look at this. These two are just like brothers. I don't play one with each another. So if this one is played, I play this one, and then the combo is just perfect and almost unstoppable. Yeah, I'm glad. Number 38 and number 97, it's, yeah, 97, are pulled. Hallelujah. 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 Okay, good. Sick. Glasses are pulled up. Let's go. Necro. And nothing. Yeah, I think my luck just got pulverized in that first blister, guys. First pack, and every luck is gone. DD, what's up? Nothing here, nothing here. Alright. Okay, we got 3 packs left, guys. 3 packs left. Alright. Yes, I know you. And DDD. These nuts.
These nuts? Got him! Got him!
These nuts. All right. Let's see if luck kicks in a second time, but I don't think so. DDD again. Yazi and nothing. Whew. Okay, guys. Last pack. We are arrived at the last pack. Let's see what it's gonna be. Okay. Nothing. And last one. Crap. Nothing. Well, I can't complain, guys. These are the pulls. My favorite, just look at this. This is, I still can't believe it. First blister, first hit, bam, done. Just done. Absolutely phenomenal. I love it. I love these cards. Yeah, then we got this one. Dark Magician, Dragon Rider, I think it's in English. I don't know exactly. And yeah, then my 2 favorite combo brothers, Draglubian and number 38. And then we got the Aluber, which is meta right now in Master Duel. So yeah, everyone is playing this food. But yeah, this is it, guys. This was the first display opening from the first box. And yeah, see you in a minute. Alright guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think of this set and what do you think of the Ghost Rare? And yeah, I just still can't believe it. First blister, first Ghost Rare, bam! My luck just hit it like a bomb right into my face. And yeah, I'm happy. I'm very, very happy. And yeah, second display opening video is coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And with that said, guys, stay out of trouble, stay healthy, see you next time. Bye.